how to turn off or on customize your gift card permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click the three lines here and then click settings. Now go to permissions. After that, just wait. And now scroll down. Scroll down until you find customize your gift card and then you can turn it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.